I'm about to review the Facebook Reels monetization features and show you guys how you can start getting paid by posting Facebook Reels without too much effort. So let's get started. Now, Reels are everywhere. We're talking about YouTube with YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, which again are everywhere on your feed, and TikToks, especially TikToks. And if you don't believe that, well, ask Cobra Tate about it. He's built a massive following by leveraging this short form of content. And here's the thing. We would have probably never seen Reels on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube had it not been for TikTok. What all of these social media platforms are trying to do here is just get back some of the market share that TikTok was basically stealing from them. Again, these guys have absolutely crushed the game when it comes to short content, and basically all of these other social media platforms are trying to replicate that. And that includes Facebook, with Facebook Reels. But the thing about it is that we can literally take a look at what's already working on TikTok and implement that on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube and try to get similar results. And in today's video, our focus is going to be directed specifically at Facebook Reels. How can we get paid with those? How easy or how difficult for that matter is going to be creating them? I'm gonna answer all those questions. Take a look at this. In order to be eligible for the Facebook monetization program, basically, your Reels need to get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. But now guys, let me tell you something, that is not too difficult. In comparison, in order to get a YouTube channel monetized, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the last year. Just compare those two. 1,000 views over a 30-day period compared to 4,000 hours of watch time over the last year. That's a significant difference. And so getting monetized on Facebook is way easier. That's precisely what we're gonna be focusing on. Let's do a quick experiment here. Let's just search for TikTok ideas. If you perform that search, you're gonna come across a lot of results. And that's the thing about it. If this sort of content already works on TikTok, if it's already proven to work there's a pretty solid chance it might also work on Facebook. Why would it not? So let's take a look at it. What are these guys suggesting that we do? Well, as you might expect, first and foremost, we've got social media challenges. But guys, I know for a fact most of you are not comfortable with that. You're not comfortable with fooling around in front of a camera, doing some silly challenges, or dancing. And I wouldn't do that either. And song imitations are not for me either, so we're eliminating a lot of the options here. What are we left off with? Well, videos based on trending hashtags. That might also be a pretty good one. Cute animal videos, making art, answering questions, satisfying calming videos, fruit cutting. There are quite a few different categories here, but let me tell you something. The main reason why most people will never, and I mean never, create a TikTok page or Facebook page to post Facebook Reels or Instagram page in order to post Reels on Instagram is that they are afraid they are gonna waste too much time. And you probably have that fear as well. The conversation inside your head is probably something like this. Well, if I'm gonna start recording these videos for Facebook, if I'm gonna start recording and posting these Reels, I'm gonna waste a lot of time. And what if it doesn't work out? What if I put in all of that time, that effort, that dedication, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone to record this content, but it doesn't work? I end up wasting time, I end up getting frustrated, and I could have spent that time doing so much else. And for that reason, I put together a step-by-step strategy that will basically eliminate this fear. In other words, what we're gonna do is ignore all of these different TikTok ideas. We're not gonna take advantage of this. We're not gonna make art. We're not gonna dance in front of a camera or complete any silly challenges, and instead, we're gonna do something a little bit more creative and smarter. But the execution is quite simple, and in order to find the answer, believe it or not, 2 keywords on TikTok will help us out. If you search for TikTok made me buy it, you're gonna come across all of these different, very weird videos. And I'm saying they're weird because they are generating too many views. We got 4.5 million views on this one, 23 million is the video, and the list goes on and on. But these are some very basic product reviews. There's nothing special about them. Take a look at this one. I got a nasty 10 line from using this all summer, and that generated 6 million views if you can believe it. Here's another one. Amazon finds that just slap, 800,000. TikTok made me buy it, 2.3 million. Now you get the point here. You probably see the pattern. These are just that. Product reviews, short clips that people have recorded while they were unboxing a certain item they bought from Amazon, for instance, and playing around with it. That's all it took for these content creators on TikTok to get millions of views. Now, just imagine that. You get to order an item from Amazon, unbox it, play around with it, record it, and that's it. That's your Facebook Reel. Guys, I can literally not even imagine any easier approach. It doesn't get any easier than that. You don't need to show your face. As you can see, this user is not showing their face. This one is not showing their face either. And I could keep going. And all you're gonna do is find a unique product and then just review it. But it gets better than that. Here's the thing. The thing about all of these items under this hashtag, which is TikTok made me buy it, is they are all very unique, out of the ordinary, special. Take a look at this one, this diffuser right here. Here's another one, and here's another really cool one. As you can see, these are not just some random items. They are really cool. That's the thing about them. They really stand out, and we can actually turn that to our advantage. Here's the thing. Let's suppose Facebook doesn't monetize us for our content. So we are posting those Facebook Reels day after day for quite some time, and we are still not getting monetized because unfortunately, in order to take part in the Facebook monetization program, you gotta be invited. So you cannot just apply for it and get accepted right away instantaneously, and instead you have to receive an invitation. We cannot control that. And so in order to minimize the risk of putting in all of that work and not getting any results, here's what you can do. And this is gonna be effortless actually. Take a look at this TikTok account right here. This is just the perfect example. This particular video has generated over 16 million views so far. What is it? Just a product review. This content creator just unboxed that item and started playing with it. And that was enough to get 16 million views on TikTok. And it seems like it's a replicable process because this other video right here, it got over 1.8 million. And all of the other ones are getting at least tens of thousands, which is quite impressive if you ask me. But here's what they are doing. They actually built an entire e-commerce store. But the crazy part is this. If you go over to AliExpress and you search for a boat in a bottle, you're gonna find this exact item. Take a look at this. It is literally the exact same object. In other words, what this TikTok content creator is doing is they are just promoting their item on TikTok by recording those short clips. Then they set up their own e-commerce stores through Shopify, and they are just getting the supply from China, from AliExpress. This is the dropshipping model at its finest. They get to keep a profit whenever they generate a sale, and they don't even have to handle the item themselves. You're just gonna have AliExpress deliver the item to their customer, and that's it. But here's the flip side of that. Not only can you make money through the dropshipping model by promoting these items, but this is also original content. And as we've just determined, Facebook Reels need to be original. I don't even know whether or not I mentioned that, but I think that is pretty self-explanatory. Facebook is not going to pay you for reposting other people's content in case you were considering that. You have to create your own original content. And that's precisely what I want you guys to do. And this might be the easiest way you can get paid through Facebook Reels. I don't see any easier way that you can do it. You can literally record product reviews. You're generating views because these are quite fun actually. And at the same time, you're getting traffic for your items. You can get paid through Facebook directly because you become a partner once you get 1,000 views over the last 30 days. And at the same time, you're getting traffic for your e-commerce store. You're literally increasing your profits by doing e-commerce. So you're not just platform dependent here. Even if Facebook doesn't monetize you whatsoever, you're still getting paid because you're selling items. And the best part, this is replicable. Let me show you another example. I promised that I will show you guys 2 different keywords. So here's the second one, Amazon random finds. If you search for this one on TikTok, you're gonna find very similar search results. These are unique, undervalued items that people are finding on Amazon. But instead of implementing the dropshipping model here, there's something even easier that you can do. Let me show you a clear example of that. Take a look at this profile. Simply Sell Finds. 2.2 million followers, just to put things in perspective. If you click on the link in their bio, that's gonna take you guessed it, straight over to Amazon. They're basically reviewing all of these different random finds, right? Unique items that people absolutely love. And that's for a good reason if you ask me. If you connect to this page right here, you're gonna find he's got a bunch of different categories, ranging from car must-haves to kitchen must-haves, all random Amazon finds, things of that sort. If you click on either category, that will take you straight over to Amazon where you can purchase the items. But here's the thing. He's an affiliate, as you might have guessed already, and you can become one as well. All you gotta do is connect to Amazon Associates and set up a free account. Once you do that, you can literally promote any item on Amazon. Let me illustrate that. Let's say I wanted to promote these AirPods, right? What I can do is click on this text, and once I've done that, I will be provided with a custom affiliate link that I can share with other people. Again, you're creating product reviews, those very short, straight to the point Facebook Reels. You're posting them on Facebook, so you can potentially get monetized here. But at the same time, you're an Amazon affiliate, just like this guy right here. And trust me, he's probably making tens of thousands, if not 6 figures a month, just through affiliate marketing alone. And so guys, if you're interested in getting paid through Facebook Reels, I wouldn't record any silly challenges. I wouldn't dance in front of a camera. If you want to, you're free to do so, but that is not for me. Instead, I would try doing something like this. I literally think product reviews are the easiest possible videos to create. You don't have to show your face, which I'm pretty sure is a major concern for some of you. You do not need Hollywood level editing. All you need is just to take action and shoot the videos with your mobile phone. And so you got all the resources you need to make it work. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.